Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, my name is Godwin. So today we'll be diving into a topic many people ask about today. Should we hire a web developer or a WordPress developer? Today we'll be talking about it so you can make the right decision for your business. When it comes to building a website, you probably heard of these two terms, a web developer and a WordPress developer. But what is the difference and which one is right for your specific project? Well, let's start with the basics. Who is a web developer? A web developer is someone who built a website from scratch. They use programming language like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and sometimes there's more advanced features like Python and Ruby. And they also have full control of every aspect of your website, from design to functionality. Imagine you want a super custom website, something that is completely unique and has advanced features. Maybe it's an e-commerce website or a platform like Jumia and Amazon. That's where a web developer shines. They can build anything you dream of, but it usually takes time and costs more. On the other hand, a WordPress developer specializes in building websites using WordPress platform. WordPress is a content management system that powers over 40% of websites on the internet. It's user-friendly and great to use while building projects quickly without needing to know how to code. If you're a small business or blogger looking forward to get your site up and running, a WordPress developer can help you do that using ready-made themes and plugins. It's usually faster and affordable.
Advantages of hiring a web developer: 1. Fully customizable website. 2. Can handle complex projects. 3. You have full control of every aspect of your website. Disadvantages of hiring a web developer: 1. Higher cost. 2. Takes longer time to build. 3. You may need ongoing support. Advantages of hiring a WordPress developer: 1. Fastest to set up. 2. Lower cost. 3. Tons of plugins and themes to customize your site. 4. Easier for you to manage after it's built. Disadvantages of hiring a WordPress developer: 1. Lacks flexibility of fully custom design. 2. Plugins can slow down your site if not optimized. 3. It might not handle large-scale, complex websites as smoothly.
So which should you choose, a web developer or a WordPress developer? Here's a simple way to think about it. If you need something basic like a blog, portfolio, or business site, a WordPress developer is perfect. They'll save your time and money while giving you a professional site. If you need a custom built website with more advanced features like marketplace or social platform, go for a web developer. You get more flexibility and most times it comes with a higher price. Don't forget, they are all developers. It really depends on your project needs, timeline, and budget. I hope this video helped you understand the key features between a web developer and a WordPress developer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more tips on websites and businesses. Thanks for watching.